Alright, well today I'm going to tell you a little bit about the musket that a Civil War soldier would carry into battle. This musket is an 1853 British Enfield pattern musket. Caliber is .577, which is the actual diameter in inches. It's a little over half an inch in diameter. Large bore, but a very effective rifle. One of the most accurate rifles made up to that point in history, which was one of the reasons why Civil War casualties in battle seem to be so high, because the accuracy of the rifles outdated the formations that were used during battle. So let's talk a little bit about how this worked. As you can see, pretty primitive system, little setup here. Soldiers would carry a cartridge box, which looked like this, and inside their cartridge box they would have cartridges which they would load their rifle with. The way this would work is, you would take your cartridge out of your cartridge box, you would bite off the end, you would pour your powder down the barrel, and once the powder was down the barrel, you would take your ramrod out, and you would push that round all the way down into the end of the barrel, remove the ramrod, and replace it. Bring the rifle up to a half cock, and you would have a cap pouch on your front hip here. You would place the cap over what's called the nipple, bring it to a full cock, and aim and fire. Now, if you're out of ammunition and you're still in the combat situation and you need to defend yourself, that's where the bayonet comes in. The bayonet was a very deadly weapon. Although it was not used very often in the Civil War, it was used in some major battles. And what you would do is, on the order of your captain, company commander, or your battalion commander, you would fix bayonets. And once the bayonet was fixed in place, your whole rifle becomes a long spear to be used as an extremely deadly weapon. I hope you've enjoyed this session on the Civil War soldier.